सारे देशवासियों को मेरा नमस्कार। आज आप सबको ट्रेन से भारत की चार धाम यात्रा कराएंगे। ये मेरा एक छोटा सा प्रयास है। अगर कुछ भूल हो गया हो तो माफ कर दीजिएगा, लेकिन अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। तो आइए ट्रेन में चार धाम यात्रा का शुभारंभ करते हैं। चार धाम यात्रा by train will start from Puri. After arrive at Puri station, we shall have to catch a cab or auto for stay in hotel beside the sea beach. There are so many hotels available beside the sea beach. AC, non-AC, anyone. Next, first you will see Jagannath temple and Lord Jagannath darshan in morning. Next day morning enjoy in sea beach and got sea bath. After complete sea bath, returning back in hotel and go to house of Masibisi Bari of Lord Jagannath. Next day, you will go to Nandankanan Zoo and thereafter you will visit Udaygiri and Khandagiri hill station in Puri, which has a historical place. And another one sightseeing may visit like Chilka Lake where you may see dolphins. And we all know Puri is well connected by train for all over India. After complete of Puri Dham, we shall have to start for Badrinath Dham. We shall have to catch train runs daily from Puri station for Haridwer. You may see Vrindavan baking journey at Mathura railway station. After arriving Haridwer, you have to go Badrinath Dham by bus or car. You may also complete Char-Dham in Uttaranchal as Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri. Beautifully seen at Himalaya and Char-Dham in Uttarakhand. You will see Badrinath temple and Badri Bishal darshan. Alaknanda river is flowing after touching the Badrinath temple. After darshan, you will go to Managaon, where you will see Vedbas cave and Ganesh cave. The Mahabharata wrote here. Thereafter, you will see Bhim pool, which made by strong Pandava Bhim by a big stone. You will see Swargarohini, the way of heaven. 5 Pandava with Draupadi went to Swarg in this way, but only Yudhishthir reached in Swarg, and other 4 Pandava, including Draupadi, died on the way. There are still now remain way of Swarg, but very tough to go. Your Badrinath Dham is complete. After complete of Badrinath, you have to come back at Haridwer. After arriving Dwarakadham, you will see Dwarka temple and Dwarakadhis darshan. Temple is located on the banks of Gomti River Sangam with western coast of India. You will enjoy with beautiful scenes Sangam between sea and river. After complete of Dwarakadham, you will see Sudama's home known as Bhet Dwarka. Journey for Bhet Dwarka is full of adventure as you have to cross western coast by motorboat or steamer from Okha. Now complete your Dwarakadham. After complete of Dwarakadham, you will start for Rameswaram by train. After arriving at Rameswaram temple and Lord Shiva darshan, temple is located at Pamban Island. Other side of sea you will see Sri Lanka country. The story of Rameswaram, Lord Rama does worship to Lord Shiva for defeat to Ravana in war. Ravana kidnapped Sitama, wife of Lord Rama. A bridge was made by Lord Hanuman with monkey Sena on the sea. The matter are the piece of stone remain floated on the water of sea with writing the name of Rama on the stone. You will see the bridge known as Setu Samudram still now. The temple is of South Indian style and very nice. You will see more other temple and tourist place at Rameswaram. Now complete your Char-Dham Yatra. Hey, you are tired and want to return back home? You have to catch train from Rameswaram for Chennai. After arriving Chennai, you may go anywhere in India by train. Chennai is well connected by rail all over India or by air. Some important tips. Number 1. Best time of Char-Dham Yatra May, June, October. Number 2. Before journey, at last 2 months, you should make some physical exercise and yoga. Number 3. Take some important medicine for fever. 1 DSR capsule is necessary to take every morning in empty stomach. Number 4. Take raincoat, torchlight, candle, polythene, etc. Number 5. Don't drink water here and there. Before taking water, collect information and putting off water. Lastly, try to give almost information for Char-Dham Yatra. Hope your journey will be successful. All the best. Thank you. If you want more information, kindly comment and subscribe.